Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Ashley and I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney. So you get two different houses on one channel. That means 2 uploads per week. So right now I am giving you an overview of my kitchen, and then I do give you an overview of my kitchenette pantry area where the fridge is and stuff like that, and then one more overview of my bathroom. These are all before overviews, so that way you guys kind of see what we are getting into today. For the pantry area, as you guys can see right here, I am just trying to get everything off the top of the pantry and the fridge. So I'm showing you what it looks like from the inside. And now I do want to say that later on in the video, I do do a little bit of decluttering and reorganizing and moving things around. So here's the overview for the bathroom. Once again, just giving you overviews of everything dirty before I get in there and scrub it down. So we will be scrubbing the shower today. And guess what, guys? I found a scrubby for my sink, so I'm excited. My Dollar Tree finally opened back up. If you know, then you know that I was having some issues with some Dollar Trees finding scrubbies, and finally they are open back up. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a good overview before we really get into starting with the kitchen and cleaning everything out and doing the pantry. I do want to say thank you one more time for clicking on my video, even though you didn't have to. And let's get into the video. Just giving you one more overview of the kitchen, so that way when we get into it, we start out in the right place. All right, guys, let's get the music started. Let's have some fun and get this all done.
Girl, you told me that's what you needed. Lights in my face, yeah. Cause you were coward and that was easy. Watching, waiting problems. Watching, waiting problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out.
I do like to point out for anybody new here, so the left side of the sink is where, oh yeah, see, finally got a new scrubber for my sink. But anywho, the left side of my sink is where I keep all of the clean dishes. So I like to scrub, once I put all the clean dishes away, I like to get in there and scrub down the sink, so that way it's a fresh, clean sink for fresh, clean dishes. So yeah, just wanted to let the new people, oh my goodness. Wow. And then I also like to use my foam spray to just so that, my goodness, restart, rewind. So I like to use my foam spray to clean out the sink instead of just using my pump bottle. I like how it kind of just sticks to the surface and grabs the dirt with it. So yeah, that's what I'm using. Oh, and I also needed to add more soap to it because I decided to get a little, I added way too much water. So I'm trying to learn how much I need to put in here. So that's all I was showing you guys in that text really quickly, was that I needed to add more soap to it, so that way the foam is more thicker. So more soap, more foam, more thickness of foam. As you guys can see the difference already. But I do want to add more soap to it. But anywho, I'm getting off on a tangent over here. But yeah, I finally got a new scrubby for my sink, and honestly, guys, I'm trying to get used to this one. Only because my previous scrubbies that I did have didn't have a handle. So I am not used to having a long handle on my scrubbers. Usually it's the palm one where you kind of just, hold it in your palm and scrub around the sink. That is what I'm used to. So I'm still adjusting to this type of scrubber. I believe Courtney has this type of scrubber also. But yeah, how many times am I going to say that word scrub? But anywho, yeah. So we're just going to scrub this down and get into hand washing some dishes. So if you guys are like me and you do not have a dishwasher, well, today is your lucky day to get that motivation to hand wash a few dishes.
I swear to God, I think I found my heart for. She likes the way I play the game, but once it gets late and over, there's no peace of mind. Asking me why I don't wanna lie.
Okay, so the dishes are finally out of the way. We are on to wiping down the counters, which if you guys haven't noticed, and you've like been on our channel for a little bit now, that's a first. I usually wipe down the counters and everything like that and then do the dishes, but my brain was all in kaputs this day. Anyways, I was debating on recording this day or I was going to wait till the next day to do it, but I ended up recording anyways because my house was just really messy. So, and here it is. I just wanted to show you an up close of how dusty and dirty it was up there. So make sure you guys remember to clean up there before it gets really greasy and really nasty, and then you got to scrub it and put some elbow grease into there just to remind you just to wipe it down here and there every once in a while. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly state that usually I don't wipe down the counters until the end, towards the end after, I don't usually do the dishes until the end, and then usually the counters are done first and then the dishes. But yeah, so now I'm on to spraying down the stove and gonna be wiping that bad boy down and then the rest of the countertops, and then we move on to the floor. And then I still want to get the stove top cleaner. I still haven't gotten any of the refill of the cleaner itself and then the blades. I keep forgetting to grab it at the store. It's like one of those things out of sight, out of mind. So I really want to get into remembering to get that for my stove. And then once we are done with the floors and everything, obviously I'm going to give you a nice clean overview. And then we move on to the kitchenette area, which I have like my makeshift pantry and the fridge to get that all decluttered and organized.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. Give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love you. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me.
All right, so here we are in the fridge and kitchenette area with my makeshift pantry. So what I originally wanted to do was just organize everything clean out these two bottom shelves because there was some stuff that just needed to get thrown out that was very old and expired, and then put everything that was up there down on those two shelves. But later on in the video, you will quickly realize it just wasn't working out for me the way that I wanted it to. So you guys will see me at that point of decluttering, organizing, and then moving and switching some things around in the video. So if it seems a little bit chopped up in the video, which I think I did a pretty good job trying to fix that, making it all kind of one and cohesive, it's because I was just, my brain didn't know what it wanted to do. So I just turned off the camera to kind of collect myself, to be like, okay, so I think I'm going to do this here. I did a lot of back and forth walking to figure out if, you know, okay, am I going to keep the food here, or am I going to put the appliances and everything else here and stuff like that, which you guys will see the gist of that once we get into actually, you know, moving everything around. Right now, all I am doing is just taking everything that's on top of the fridge and bringing it down. Having everything up there like that was just giving me too much anxiety and feeling closed off, and just feel like I was getting caved in. So I just really wanted to quickly get all of that down. Plus, it shows me what I have up here and where things can go, instead of going up here, if that makes any sense to you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to play some music. Hopefully everything connects together, which I think it will, and give you the before and after as usual.
Hey, you got me so defeated. I can't address this feeling alone. Wait, I'm staring at the ceiling. Rather do this and be on my phone. You put the beat in my heart, the light and the stars. Maybe I'm overthinking now, and I don't know where to start. You tear me apart, but in the best way. 'Cause every time you're talking to me, I can't comprehend a word that you're saying. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat. Don't want it to end this way that I'm feeling. I know I want you back. I know I want you back. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad. I want you so. You take away the pressure, pull me from the undertow, and I wanna be in your world. Tell me where I need to go. 'Cause you put the beat in my heart, the light and the stars. Maybe I'm overthinking now, and I don't know where to start. You tear me apart, but in the best way. 'Cause every time you're talking to me, I can't comprehend a word that you're saying. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat. Don't want it to end this way that I'm feeling. I know I want you back. I know I want you back. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad. I want you so bad. I know I want you back. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad. Swear I would watch the Lakers game, even though I don't know basketball from the game we're playing. Yeah, I'm not overcomplicated. You don't have to spin a web with the words you're saying. And if you started feeling down, swear that I would take you higher. Oh, but you can be the runaround. Maybe I'm just getting tired. Oh, I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. Sliding with the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just Told myself I wouldn't be here, back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting. 'Cause whenever I'm feeling down, I lean right into my demons. Oh, yeah, I wish I could turn around, knowing I'm better off leaving. Oh, I know I'm a good catch, I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch, maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch, I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch, maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a
Okay, so I'm just gonna scrub the top of this off and get it all nice and clean. But I just wanted to say that earlier, the only thing you guys didn't see me do on camera was just basically take all of the little bit of food I had left in that cupboard in the kitchen itself, which was basically expired food, and then the rest was just pasta sauce and a couple odds and ends that were in there. So it was basically empty. And honestly, that's where I used to keep my food until I was shopping at BJ's a lot more before and stuff like that, so I couldn't fit a lot of it in there. But now that we've minimized on, you know, buying so many snacks for the house and everything like that, I just moved it back into the original area inside the kitchen. And then I give you an overview of everything I took out of my little makeshift pantry in the kitchen area to show you that, okay, this is everything that needs, see right here, this is everything that needs to go in the cabinet to get put away and stuff like that. Just wanted to give you a nice little overview before I start putting everything away and then put it in the cupboard. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly let you guys know that. And then with the makeshift pantry, what I'm going to do with that area is put basically appliances, just extra things, odds and ends like paper plates, plastic cups and stuff like that. Maybe if I do a big shopping again at BJ's, you know, throw it in there. It's basically the not catch-all, but like the overflow area is going to be what the makeshift pantry used to be. So I hope all of that makes sense.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real. That's just how I feel. I think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. Stepping over stars to the colored lights. Is the whole world gray, or am I too blind to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not? Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone.
So I guess I forgot to press record when I was sweeping the floors after I was done giving you guys the overview of how messy the floors were. But luckily something told me to check the camera, and I still had the dirty pile there to show proof that I did sweep the floors up. And then after I'm done sweeping, I do the same mopping that I did in the kitchen area inside of here. And when I'm done with that, we move on to the bathroom area.
Space. Girl, you told me that's what you needed. Not to my face. Yeah, 'cause you were coward and that was easy. Watching, waiting, problems. Watching, waiting, problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. That this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. It's on your breath, but in my head I still think you mean it. Thoughts left unsaid, you're fading fast, common sense depleted. Oh no. Watching, waiting, problems. Watching, waiting, problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. 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 Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body.
We made it into the bathroom now. I already wiped down the mirror, so I moved everything that was against the wall away from it and got my disinfecting wipes, and we're just wiping everything down, getting them nice and disinfected and shiny. And then with the shower, what I like to do is get my toilet bowl gel cleaner, Great Value brand. I love the toilet bowl cleaner because it's bleach and it's gel and it sticks, so it's not going to be running all over the place when I use it in my shower later. So what I do is I put it in the four corners and along the lip closest to the outside of the shower, because that's where a lot of the water sits and the water gets moldy a little bit. Like the corners get some mold in the corners. So I like to let that sit for a little while, let the bleach gel do its job, so that way I do not have to scrub as much, because I do scrub the shower from head to toe in today's video. And then after that, we wipe down the toilet, sweep up the floors, and give a quick mop. But I think that's about. Oh, in here in the spot, I end up breaking my toothbrush holder, so we have to use a plastic cup to hold everything until I get another one from the Dollar Tree. So always something to add to the list, right? And here it is. There's the proof right there. So yeah. I gotta get a new toothbrush holder. So yeah, we're just gonna wipe everything down, disinfect, scrub, and get this bathroom all nice and shiny.
You just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall on. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't one, honey. Tell your ex-man brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy, I ain't tryna keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want a G-Cal, I just wanna see you with a spot round. Hey, you ain't gotta tag me, I can meet an arm in the background, babe. And I know when you working as a hostess, they be tryna let you out late. But how late? Cause I'll be at the next place calling a date. Okay. And I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just pussy, I ain't tryna keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. How you scared of making plans when your friends all calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even wanna dance? You tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. I want it, oh. I want it, oh.
Once I'm done sweeping the floor, I get into scrubbing the shower from head to toe. What I'm basically going to be using is a scrub brush that I leave for the shower, and then the foam spray. And then sometimes I will use my all-purpose cleaner if I feel it's necessary, but I didn't feel like it needed it with just the shower walls. And since I did have the bleach on the bottom, I felt that would be just enough to clean it up with some Dawn dish soap water mixture, foam spray, and then just some good elbow grease and bleach. So what I like to do is just kind of get the walls all wet, so that way it just doesn't seem like it's just the product is literally just stuck on the walls and not really like moving around much, if that makes sense. So I always like to just give it a quick little spray down, so that way I can get everything coated nice and evenly and saturated to get all of the surface and not just that one spot. And then after I am done scrubbing down the shower, I mop the floors up.
Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you, only you, only you, only you can turn me on. Only you, only you. Love disconnection. Only you can turn me on.
as you guys can tell, it's obviously a different angle now. I ended up having to use my actual phone to finish recording this video. The camera that I used to record actually ended up dying on me, but I was happy that I had enough storage to finish out the video with my regular phone. And I like this angle too, just because it gets everything in one shot. It's the wide angle view, so I mean, this is nice. It gives you kind of like the complete look all in one. It's pretty cool if you ask me, but yeah, so I just want to get this all mopped up and then give you guys a nice overview of everything, all nice and clean and scrub down inside this bathroom. So once I'm done, I give you that, and then that will wrap up the video. I do want to say thank you again for watching my video, even though you didn't have to, and sticking it out all the way to the end. That truly does help our channel, guys. If you're feeling a little bit generous today, we would love it if you would subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Write something down below so we can communicate with you guys, and I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Make sure to stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday, guys. Until then, bye.
I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. Feel the love in your heart. That you